Today we're going to change the lock screen's background picture in Windows 11. Search Settings on the taskbar, click on Personalization, and then Lock Screen. Now from here, from this section, if you click on Picture, you can choose from the default pictures of Windows 11. You can also choose a specific picture from your device. Now there's another feature called Slideshow. In this feature, you can select a folder that contains some pictures, and in this case, those pictures on the folder will eventually be shown on your lock screen. Now make sure that the folder is not placed in a partition that the Windows is installed. In most cases, it is the C drive. For example, I have to choose my folder from my D drive. Now there's some options for the slideshow. For example, you can choose the pictures from the camera roll, or you can just filter the pictures that can be fitted in the lock screen itself. Now there's also this option here. Now normally when you are in the lock screen of your Windows, if you press enter and you wanna enter your password, the lock screen picture gets blurred. Now if you just turn off this button, what will happen is that when you click on enter and you wanna enter your password, the lock screen picture will eventually disappear and you will see a black background when you wanna enter your password. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed.